God users, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to set the working area where you should draw an AutoCAD. This is the project, this is an apartment. Always make an empty space when you draw any project. This is your limit, okay? Here, this is your limit to draw inside it. But what's the meaning of the limit in AutoCAD? Let's see. Here, start by going to File or going to the icon, this icon, pressing New. Okay. You choose any template. Don't worry about template. This is inch, this is millimeter. Okay, choose anyone. Most AutoCAD users don't care about drawing in an organized location or working area, which is called the limit. You should draw in this area, or you must. Why? Because it is more organized, it's more professional to synchronize or coordinate with your team. Let's see. Here we have the coordinate 0, 0. This is the negative area in the grid. This is all, you can call it grid, okay? But the working area or the working grid, which is your paper to draw in it, it's here. It's right here, positive area, positive X and positive Y. Right now, we cannot see it. Okay. Let's see how we hide outside all the grid outside this working area, just to focus or concentrate or be organized to work only in this area or showing just this grid and setting the squares, small squares about 1 meter, and setting the size and limit, the size of the limit, my X dimension of the grid, total working area, or total limit, you can say, total dimension of the limit, which is your working area. Let's see. We type DS, enter. You have snap and grid behavior. You can notice here, there's an option, it's on, display grid beyond limits. It means that all the grid outside or surrounding the working area is shown. You can see it. Why? Because the option says display or show all the grid beyond limits. I want to check it off. Press OK. You note that only a limit of the grid is shown. This is the working area that you should draw in. Okay. Let's see the size of the limit and how can we change the size of the square, 1 square in the limit. Type DS. If you're drawing in 1 meters, type 1. Press here, it will change automatically. Why? Because it's equal X and Y. If you uncheck equal X and Y, it will give you different sizes here, but I want to make it equal size. Keep X and Y spacing the same. That's okay. Now we have meters. I set my square to be in 1 meter just to visualize my design. I want to make the size of my limit to adapt or to conform to or be the same the dimension of my project. Let's see. I have here 12. It's about 12 meters by 12 meters. Okay. I make my limit more, make more space so as draw beside it. Okay. So I have 12 by 12. So I make 15 by 15. I set it more. Always set the size more. The command is limit. Lim. You can press I. The first question AutoCAD asks is 0, 0 coordinates, which is this point. Leave it as it is. Press enter. It asks for the other location, other corner, which is this corner, X dimension and Y dimension. The form is right here. It shows you that you must enter X here, comma, Y. This is the X and this is the Y. Here it's in inch. Ignore it. It is the size of the A4. Okay? Leave it like this. Here you decide to work in meters. Okay? So we said that we should take our working area as 15 plus 15. Enter 15, the X, comma, is under the same format as here. 15, comma 15. Press enter, and you'll notice that the grid becomes bigger. To see the grid to fit your screen, type Z, enter, A for all, enter. To fit exactly. Okay.